Hello, fellow travelers. Rick Steves here, and today we're tackling the not-so-glamorous but crucial topic of European rental car insurance. You're dreaming of Tuscan hills, not fine print at the rental counter, but a little knowledge here can save you hundreds of dollars. Rental companies love to throw acronyms and scary language at you, hoping you'll buy their priciest package. But often, you're being sold coverage you don't actually need. My goal: empower you to make smart, confident decisions and keep your money for the fun stuff like gelato and Florence. We'll break down what's required, what's extra, and where you might already be covered. This advice comes from real-world experience, mine and countless travelers, so you can travel smarter. By the end, you'll know how to walk up to the counter, decline the hard sell, and drive away with peace of mind. Your adventure should be about joy, not unnecessary expenses. Let's make sure your money creates memories, not headaches. Here's great news. Every car you rent in the EU comes with basic, legally required insurance. Third-party liability. This is included in your quoted rate, so you're already covered before you even arrive. Third-party liability covers damage you cause to others or their property. If you cause an accident, it pays for repairs and medical expenses for the other party. It's mandatory across Europe, ensuring victims are protected. But it does not cover damage to your rental car itself. That's the key reason rental agents push extra coverage. Remember, you're never driving uninsured in Europe. The real question is how you want to handle potential costs for damage to your own rental car. Knowing this puts you in control at the counter. Let's decode the rental lingo: CDEW, collision damage waiver, and TP, theft protection. These aren't true insurance. They're waivers that limit your financial responsibility if the car is damaged or stolen. CDW covers damage to your rental car, but usually comes with a high deductible or excess. For example, if your excess is 1,500 euros, you pay up to that amount for any damage. The waiver covers the rest. Super CDW or zero excess policies reduce your deductible to zero for a hefty daily fee. TP waives your liability if the car is stolen, but again, you'll pay the excess. CDW and TP are often bundled in your online quote, but with high excesses that lead to upselling at the counter. Standard CDW usually excludes tires, windows, undercarriage, and roof. So check what's covered. Always ask for a printed list of inclusions and exclusions before signing. Don't rely on verbal promises. Get it in writing. That's your best protection. Don't want to pay for pricey super coverage? Use your credit card's rental insurance benefit. Many premium cards offer primary coverage in Europe. Just decline the rental company's CDW and pay with your card. Make sure you know the rules. Accepting the rental company's waiver can void your card's coverage. Alternatively, buy Standalone excess reimbursement insurance, ERI, from a third party before your trip. For a small daily fee, ERI reimburses your deductible if you have an accident. With ERI, accept the basic CDW, and if you pay an excess, claim it back from your ERI provider. You'll need to pay the excess upfront and file paperwork later, but the savings can be huge. Be prepared for a little post-trip paperwork, but enjoy the upfront savings. What do experienced travelers say? Most agree. Skip the rental company's expensive super coverage. One traveler in Ireland used his credit card coverage, saving hundreds after standing firm at the counter. Another tip: document the car's condition with photos and video before you drive off. This can save you from bogus damage claims. Always check your credit card's fine print. Is coverage primary, and are there country exclusions? Some countries, like Ireland and Italy, have tricky rules or exclusions, so do your homework. If in doubt, consider a third-party ERI policy for peace of mind. The best defense. Know your coverage, document everything, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Preparation beats panic every time. Ready to face the rental counter? Here's your streamlined checklist. Book your car online and decline optional insurance if you'll use your own coverage. Call your credit card company to confirm primary coverage in your destination and request a letter of coverage. Print the letter and keep it with your travel documents. At the counter, have your license, passport, credit card, and reservation ready. Politely but firmly decline the CDW. No thank you, I have my own coverage. If pressed, show your letter of coverage. Before driving off, inspect the car thoroughly. Take photos and video of every scratch, ding, and the dashboard's mileage and fuel level. Pay special attention to wheels, windshield, and bumpers. This 5-minute routine protects you from unfair claims. Preparation is your best friend. Accidents happen, don't panic. If it's minor and no one else is involved, Report it to the rental company when you return the car. For accidents with others, always call the police and get a report. Insurance may be void without it. If you have Super CDW, you likely owe nothing. With Standard CDW, you'll pay up to your excess. Using credit card or ERI coverage, pay the rental company, then file a claim with your provider. You'll need the rental agreement, police report if applicable, photos, and receipts. Keep meticulous records. Documentation is everything. The process takes effort, but you'll get reimbursed if you follow the steps. Stay organized, and you'll navigate claims like a pro. Some rental agents push hard for extra insurance. Don't be intimidated. Stay calm and confident you've done your homework. If they claim your credit card isn't valid, show your letter of coverage. They may place a large hold on your card if you decline their insurance. This is normal and released when you return the car safely. If an agent refuses to rent without their insurance, ask for a manager or consider another company. If you're unfairly charged, dispute it with your credit card and report it to consumer protection agencies. Share your experience on travel forums to help others. Holding companies accountable improves the system for everyone. Stand your ground and don't let pressure ruin your trip. Happy travels.